keep smashing. What I'd like to have is teacups and teapots flying around all over the place.
We could just chuck some food and some coffee in that at it, eh?
Oh, it's heavy.
I want to create this very mysterious, almost dark, slightly sinister look to the lighting. We British love our tea. You could say we're mad for it, and you know I love making a mess. So I took inspiration from Alice in Wonderland, and this is my version of the Mad Hatter's Tea Party.
In this video, you're going to see the amount of time, money, and work that it took to turn something straight out of a twisted storybook and turn it into a piece of digital animated art.
So guys, this is our next crazy project. This is the previs for the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. What I'd like to have is teacups and teapots flying around all over the place. What have you managed to find on the teapots and teacups?
Well, luckily there's an abundance of this at charity shops, so we can get as much as we want, lots of quirky different designs.
Excellent. One of the ideas I've got is to put like a gold picture frame around as part of the photo.
Okay, it's going to be quite chunky, so it's either going to be really expensive to get a gold gilt frame, or it'd be cheaper just to get some cheap wood and
do it.
Paint it up.
Perfect. The other thing that concerns me, Georgie, is the chair.
The best shape is probably something like this.
I'm actually thinking of a red chair. What can we do about that, Tim?
We can paint it.
Now, in terms of the outfits, I really like the Alice in Wonderland version. Can we get something similar to that for our model?
This design would be something more appropriate.
Because I wanted to go with the green damask wallpaper for the background.
Oh, yes.
But the problem is it's going to look new and brand new. And what can we do to mess that wallpaper up a bit?
Well, one really easy thing, eh? We could just chuck some food and some coffee in that at it, eh?
Coffee stains is a good idea. Now, finally, the other thing that's going to be absolutely crucial to this, as you can all see, is the makeup. There's a lot of colour around the eyes and the lips and everything, and the whitening of the face is the thing that adds that sort of scary freakishness to the whole thing. Now, the other important aspect to this shot for me is the flying tea and the liquids spilling around and smashing crockery, teapots and teacups smashing on the table. Right, Georgie, I think if you head off to get cups and crockery and all the bits, Tim, you work on the picture frame, and I'll start figuring out, once we've got these items ready for the tests, on the smashing crockery.
So we're just testing the smashes at the moment. Obviously in the shot we're going to have various bits of crockery falling from different angles on the table in front of our model. Yeah, let's give it a go. Successful. The smashes aren't really coming up high enough to where Carl will want them in the shot. So we're just going to try multiple surfaces for the smashes. What if I get on a taller ladder? I feel like I need to be even higher. So we need more height. Tim, get that bad boy out. That was awesome! Bring out the big guns. Oh, it's heavy.
What's going on? How many did you do?
wish I was here. The whole place goes out of control. It's the liquid coming out that's the thing.
Oh. Well, in which case?
Because some of the shots
Test
are going to be falling.
It looks a lot more spectacular when it's...
Yeah, some of the stuff's going to be falling in the air with liquid coming out, and the ones that hit the table are going to bounce a little bit, and the liquid's going to come out more out.
But they don't bounce at all.
No, but when a teapot breaks, liquid's going to fly everywhere.
Yeah, so it doesn't matter that there'll be no shards.
I never expect it to bounce back up. It's not a f***ing tennis ball. Right, these have both got tea in. Right, let's see that back on playback. Yeah, so that liquid has only just come out. But that was perfect, and that sort of thing is perfect. Let's do one more. Right, there you go, look, there you go, perfect. That's perfect, look at that, that's some tea coming out. Great, that's exactly what we need. I want to create this very mysterious, almost dark, slightly sinister look to the lighting. It can't be all bright and airy. It's got to be a, mysterious look given the subject material. We're going to have assistants either side launching tea in cups with the tea coming out of it. So there'll be sweeps of tea in the air, tea hitting the table and exploding. And we're going to do that over and over again. More of a crazy smile. Aha, he's mad. There we go. That's it. That's it, that's exactly what I wanted. More tea, come on, more tea, let's go. Come on, let's go, let's nail it this time. Keep smashing, go on, keep smashing. That one's great there, that's perfect, that's great. Do that again, guys, that's absolutely spot on. Perfect. That's it, guys. I think we've nailed it. Well done, everyone. Can't wait to see this final piece of digital art when it's all put together.